Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Georgiana with Expressions Craft Studio, and today's going to be a really quick one. I'm not actually going to make this card right now. I've got some other stuff I'm working on, but I realized I had started designing this for Design Space and never finished it. So I did finish it today, and it's a card, a cantilever swing card, and it's so cute. Look at this. And this is by Sarah Treblecock, and it's just a beautiful card, but it's a little complicated, which is why I'm not quite in the right headspace to do it today, maybe someday, but I just thought it was gorgeous. And yeah, it's really a cute card. So we're going to switch over to Design Space, and I'm just going to kind of show you what we've got here. Maybe. There we go. So this is the link below if you want to watch the video, and I'm going to share this file for free. If somebody makes it, please post it on the Facebook page, because I would love to see how it came out. And if you try to make it and you have any problems, let me know and I'll do what I can to fix it. Like I said, I haven't made this one yet myself. I've just made the put the specifications in Design Space for whoever wants to, and someday I'll get around to it, but it's not going to be today. So I think, if I remember correctly, no I didn't, I want to go ahead and link all of these, this text together. So I'm going to group it together, and then you can just turn it off. But this is the link here below. This just tells you that these are the mountain and valley folds, and that this is the inside of the card. So I'm going to turn that off, get that out of the way. Well, I didn't get all of it, did I? It looks like I did. No? Okay, well, I'll go back and fix that later then. I will get rid of what I can for now, and I'll fix the rest of that later. I don't know how that came. It doesn't matter. Anyway, so this is the inside of the card, and here's the cut. Now, I used only free images in case you don't have a Design Space Access subscription. You should still be able to use this card. And what I did to get this heart outline, I'll show you in a moment, but I've placed it on the inside so it'll cut there, and hopefully everything will line up. I can't guarantee it right now because I haven't tried it, but if you're brave enough to try it, please let me know. So anyway, this will cut on the inside. This is your piece for the outside that'll get glued over this. It's got your score line here and the cut for the heart, and then again it repeats on the inside of the card. Now I made the card gray just so it would show up a little bit better on the white background, but she used a white card base. You can use whatever you want. I'm just going to put that back where it goes. So to do the heart, I'm going to actually put it back too, but I'm going to make a copy, and I'm going to show you what I did real quick in case you want to use one of the other shapes and you don't have a subscription to Design Space, or yeah, you're using the free version of Design Space. I think it's the same version, it's just there's more features if you pay for the subscription. So what I did was I took the heart and I made a copy of it. I'm going to change the color to make it easier to see, and then I just shrunk it down. You know what, I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to make this a good nice even round number, so it's 3 inches wide. Now I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to shrink this down to 2.99, and I will change that color back to a darker color. We'll align these two by selecting both of them, align and center, and I think you can see I'm going to go ahead and slice, and let's see if we get our outline. And there we have it. So then I just took a square, and I'll pull one in from the shapes, square, close that, and I want to make sure it's tall enough. Okay, so what I want to do now is my heart is 3 inches wide, so I just need this to be 1.5 inches wide. So I'm going to unlock my proportions. I'm going to change it to 1.5. And then I'm going to center these horizontally. Well, actually, I'm just going to center it. It should be okay to do it that way. No, it's not. I did want it. You know what I want to do? I want to center it to the left. a line to the left. So I'm not centering it at all. That's why I was confused. So then I'm going to highlight both of them and slice. And when you pull everything away, you've got your half of your heart here. So that's how I created that. And this is just a little lesson to show you how I did that, but the card is available as well. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of that. And like I said, let me know what you think. So this was just really a little tutorial to show you how to make that heart outline if you want to do a cut like this. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. This is Georgiana with Expressions Craft Studio, and I hope you have a happy crafty day.